Tired of staring at endless spreadsheets and struggling to make sense of your time tracking data? Let's transform that chaos into clarity by connecting Clockify with Nocharts. First, ensure you're logged into your Clockify account. You'll need admin privileges for your Clockify workspace. To proceed with the integration, navigate to your profile settings to confirm your role. Next, open Nocharts and log in. The location of the integration settings can vary depending on the Nocharts version, so look for options like Integrations, Connections, or Data Sources in the sidebar or Settings menu. Once you've found the Integrations section, search for Clockify in the list of available apps. Click on the Clockify logo to begin the connection process. Nocharts will likely ask for your Clockify API key. To find this, return to Clockify and go to your profile settings. Scroll down to the API section, where you can generate or copy your API key. Copy the API key from Clockify and paste it into the required field in Nocharts, then authorize the connection, granting Nocharts access to your Clockify data. Finally, select the Clockify workspace you want to sync with Nocharts. Once the connection is established, you can start importing your time tracking data and creating insightful visualizations to unlock the power of your productivity insights.